Hi everybody, and welcome to the Collectors Corner. My name is Mike, and we are here today at ShopRite. Not sure if you guys are familiar with this, but you are about to be. This is the site of the baseball, well really sport and non-sport card machine. We're about to go inside, and I'm about to show you what what is in store for us today at the machine. All right, let's go in. Alright, so we are at the machine today. I'm just going to show you briefly what there is today. And see what we're going to choose from. Little different items in here. As you could hear the train from above. We have some football and hockey mixed in with the baseball. And then we go down to the non-sport. And there's some more down on the bottom. Pokemon and wacky packages. Magic cards. So we're going to be going after the baseball cards today. So stay tuned. I'll show you what I pick up in a brief minute. Hi everybody, so we are back from the vending machine. There was a little bit of chaos over there. Parking was very difficult, and also just dealing with the people going in and out of the supermarket, as you could tell here in New York City. Just crazy time over there. A lot of just panicking for no reason. I like to do my shopping a little better than that. I didn't get anything, only baseball cards like you're about to see. These were $1 a pack. I decided to get these to, number one, to go with the cheaper way out, and number two, because I haven't seen these in a long time. We bought packs of the 1995 Topps Embossed. Alright, really cool. It says 6 embossed cards and 1 golden foil card in each pack. These are going to be cool to open up. And also I picked up and emptied all the Fleer. I'll show you that in a second. These jumbo packs of Fleer 2006. So these are also $1. So I did clear all of those out. I picked up as much as I can of the other Topps 95. The other ones weren't really interested in. Number one, a little bit priced a little too high. These are something I haven't seen for a while and I wanted to open up. So that's number one. Number two, they didn't have any of their mystery packs there for $1. So as you could tell, I in the video before this. So let's get to these. I think first we're gonna open up these embossed cards from 95. Nothing really on the back, no odds. Alright, but I do remember these. Pretty cool cards. Let's take a look. Hey, we came out nice with a Mike Mussina. Nice card. Oh, that's not Mike Mussina. There we go. Cool card there. Let's put that standing up. Who do we have next? Clip Floyd. Nice. Our gold card for the pack is, look at that, David Justice, Rookie of the Year 1990. Cool gold card. I'll flip it over for you guys. So look at that, $1 for that pack. I think we did pretty well so far. Barry Locken and Brett Saberhagen. Nice. And look who we had. We have a Roger Clemens. Nice card there. Pretty cool pack. Pretty cool first pack. And that was just $1. Here we go to the second. Let's see who we have. They're sticking a little bit, but not that much. Travis Fryman and Tom Pagnolius. Let's see who this gold card is. Dean Palmer is the next gold card. And the other three, let's see. Brady Anderson. Sandy Alomar, nice. Nice card. I do like these rookie cards. You know, it says the year that they were rookies. This is a pretty cool set. And a Robin Ventura. Pretty good card stock. It is thick. Has some weight to it. Let's move on to the next pack. So far, I think the best pack was the first one. Let's see if we could top that. Tommy Green. Jose Reyes. This has a little bit of gold. You could tell right there on the arm and on the head. The gold Travis Fryman. Brian Harvey. Charles Nagy. Do remember these when they came out. And we have a Walt Weiss Rookie of the Year. I do like those Rookie of the Year cards. Very silvery, nice. And like I said, the card stock is really cool. So we're about halfway through opening these. Let me know what you think. Just leave a quick comment below. We have a John Olerud. These are sticking a little. I'm trying to undo them the best I can. We have a Albert Bell. Hey, nice card. Cy Young, 1994. This is a David Cone. Nice card there. And two last cards, and there's the gold. So doing pretty well. We seem to be hitting at least one good card a pack, if not more. Still haven't come across any that I really looking for in this. Whoa, here goes a nice one. Carl Ripken. Nice. Rookie of the Year. 82. Wow, another one. Doug Drybeck, Cy Young 1990. Who else do we have in here? Juan Gonzalez. The gold is a Barry Larkin. And the two remaining cards. Pretty cool. That was a good pack. Three left. And then we'll do a part 2 video for the Fleer, the 2006 Fleer cards. All right. Nice. This is a good pack too. I do like this pack. We have two nice Rookie of the Year, 1993 for Tim Salmon, and then Mark McGwire. Nice Mark McGwire card. I don't think I could keep any more up on the stand. Let's see what else we have in here. Moses Alou, and we do have a Danny Turnbull. Little loss over there by his arms. Gold foil loss. And two last ones. Bobby Bonilla. 2 packs left. Okay, trying to peel these away a little bit. Seems like these are sticking more. We have a Randy Johnson. Nice. Seems like the gold cards are very vulnerable because they do peel a lot more than the other cards. I'll show you the gold card for this pack. Andres Galarraga has some little foil loss right there. Roberto Alomar. And we have 2 cards. We have Greg Maddux. Whoops. And we have Eddie Murray. Nice cards there. Last pack. Last pack. Here we go. So far the vending machine has been very nice. Good experience. Let me know what you think about it. Like I said, these I haven't seen for a while, so I wanted to go and open up a couple of packs. Maybe we get a box of these, I'm not sure. There's one of the gold cards, Rookie of the Year, 1992. And we have a Dean Palmer. Two last. Here we go. 2 last cards. Paul O'Neill. A lot of foil loss. Okay, so that gives us this part 1 to the vending machine video. Let me know what you think about this. These Topps cards. These are from '95. Might get a box of these. They were pretty good. Mike from the Collectors Corner saying stay tuned for part 2. If you're not a subscriber, click that circle coming up right around there. Do that. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you later. Stay tuned for part 2. Be right back.